Goodness. The blizzard's really picking up, huh? How are you holding up over there? Good. I've got the AC cranked up as high as it will go, but with the cold outside, it's still a little chilly in here. We shouldn't have to deal with it for too long, though. What? You don't have to apologize. It's not too much trouble to give you a lift home. We live in the same town anyway. Yeah, it was great to see everyone again. I've barely seen anyone that went to our high school. Everyone leaving town for work or university. Not that I'm one to talk, because I'm one of them too, but when I got word that Darren was planning this high school reunion Christmas party, I just jumped at it. It was so surprising to see how many people turned up. It makes you kinda sentimental, huh? I'm just sad that we didn't get enough time to hang out, just you and me. I was always so curious as to what you got up to after high school. What? You're surprised I remember you at all? Of course I remember you. We weren't super close, no, but we were still friends. I'll never forget the day I forgot my textbook, the day of that big test. But you let me share yours. Thanks again, by the way. I'm glad you remember me too. So, what are your plans for Christmas? Spending it with family, I imagine? No? You're not doing anything? Your family is either too busy or bogged down by the weather to plan anything this year. That's so sad. No one should be alone on Christmas. You're sure you're gonna be fine? Well, because I could... Whoa! That is a lot of traffic. It's basically ground to a halt. What on earth is going on? Oh, you looked it up on your phone? Good thinking. The road's blocked due to too much snowfall. Oh, but the city is sending snowplows. Well, that's good. But they'll be at least an hour. That sucks. I'm sorry. It looks like we'll have to be in the car a little while yet. Unless you want to abandon the car and do a 2-hour hike through a blizzard. Thought not. Well, I guess we're waiting. Ooh, it really is cold in this car. Come on, AC. I preheated you before we started the journey and everything. Yeah, I know it could be worse. Could be no AC, but just waiting here for another hour is gonna chill me to the core. I don't want to drive with numb hands. Look, your hands are already shaking. Here, let me take them. Better? Good. Oh, sorry for just grabbing your hands. I just didn't like them looking so cold. Wait. I know. let me check something. Just a sec. If I just climb over my seat, then I can get into the back and look over the back seat and into the boot and... Please, please, please... Yes! Yes! We're saved. So, I was helping my mum transport some stuff the other day, but since she couldn't find a place for it in her house, it just sort of got left in my car all this time. Stuff which includes blankets, pillows, and bedding. Here, take these pillows and make yourself a little nest in your seat. This blanket should go over both of our seats. Then... Oh, that is so much better already. How are you doing over there, huh? Any better? I also have a thermos of tea if you want to share it. I just hope you don't mind Earl Grey. Yes, of course I still drink it. It's lovely. Okay then, fine. What would you rather drink then? What? No way, you are joking. Well, to each their own, I guess. Oh, it's nothing. Just still a little cold is all. I love being cozy, but I hate the cold. Hey, can I scooch over into your car seat? Please? We'll both probably be warmer that way. Oh, come on, it's a big car, we'll fit. We'll just be a little pressed together. Come on, I see you're cold too. It's that or freeze for an hour. Yes? Thank you. Yes, yes, yes. That is so much better. Just let me leech off of your body heat and finally be warm enough. Hmm? Why are you so quiet? Are you uncomfortable? Am I making you cold? No? Are you too hot? Your cheeks are so red. Ah. Oh, I guess I am hugging you very close to me. Sorry, I didn't even think about that. I mean, we haven't spoke properly in years, and here I am clinging onto you like a parasite, hugging you, holding you close. Yeah, I can see why you're uncomfortable. Yeah, I'll back off. I'm sorry, I'll just move back and... Huh? What? You don't mind? But why? You... What? No, please tell me. I promise I will not judge you, or hate you, or laugh at you. Okay, so what is it? Oh. You've had a crush on me all this time? I can't believe it. No, you don't have to be sorry. You haven't made it weird. I've always wanted to hold you like this. Of course. Back in high school, I had a massive crush on you. But I always thought you didn't care much for hanging out with other people and preferred your own company. I didn't want to butt in on that. I guess I really should have. Oh, damn it. We could have confessed to each other so much earlier. We can make up for lost time now. I guess we can. Does that mean I can continue to steal your body heat? Thank you. Hey, I know it's a bit sudden, but why don't you spend Christmas with my family this year? I don't want you to be alone on Christmas, and my family and I would be happy to have you. I don't want you to be alone on Christmas. Of course. No, my family knows you. Or my mother does, at least. Remember our old drama teacher? Well, that's her. You didn't know? Well, I'm sure she'd love to see you again. She was asking if you'd be at the party. Right. It's settled then. You feeling warm now? I am too, but... well, all things considered, there is... one thing we could do to stay even warmer. My lips. They're so cold. If only there was someone around here to warm them up. Okay, I'll stop. But can you warm them up? Thanks, honey.